Have you heard about Google Jamboard? That is the advanced version of Canvas from Google. It's equivalent to Microsoft Whiteboard. Uh, One of the reasons I was chasing our IT department to get the permission to use the Jamboard is because Jamboard instantly saves everything into our Google Drive. So what is going to happen if we have the Google's product, which happens to be the Jamboard? Um, Once we are writing on the Jamboard, since this is the Google's version of the whiteboard, all our discussions from the remote computer with the students or even in the classroom will be saved into the hard drive. Now we should be able to share it with so many people. I can share it with our department. We can show as an evidence during my appraisal, or I can send it to the parents that whatever work is done in the classroom. Also, if a student is absent from one of the classes lessons, we can send it the copy to him or her. So let's get into the business. I'm so excited because since last couple of days, I have been working towards it, and eventually our IT department has installed it. I am really excited about the whole thing. I'm going to show it to you. So what we need to do, we need to go to the Chrome and then see that 3x3 grid over there, Google Applications. We click on that. This is the Google Meet. We can use that Google Meet later on, but for the time being, my task is to show you the extra feature we have right now. Until this morning, on our application window, we didn't have this Jamboard. In the past, the people used to pay for it. So if you click on the Jamboard, which is the Google's version of the whiteboard, we get something like this. So say that I was taking a pause. The reason actually I was looking at the features. I am absolutely new. We are working together with a new application. So first of all, it says you don't have a jam yet. So tap plus sign to create one. So we got to tap on this and see what happens. Nothing happens. Something happens. Right. Now, this is pretty straightforward. We can rename it. I'll just call it year 10, blah, 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 those sort of things. And if I go right across, we can create different kind of frames. These are layers. We can share. We have this hamburger for more actions. It gives you can download this one as a PDF. We can rename them. We can save picture, which is quite useful because, say, if I want to upload a image or JPEG kind of worksheet, and if I want to scribble on that, which as a mathematics teacher I do it all the time, it'll be pretty useful. I can remove the stuff, I can make a copy, obviously updates, and I can always send the feedback. Right, over here you've got all the tools which we need. This is the select window, so that if we want to shift, transfer one object from one place to another, we are going to use it. This will be obviously the pen, which is the most useful thing. So I'm going to use the black pen and draw something. Okay, and if I want to shift it to the right, I think I should be able to do it. But something's wrong. Anyway, I'll get on with the. I can erase the stuff. So if you want to erase it, uh, I can create sticky notes, which is pretty useful. So I have seen people creating, say, Venn diagram. So two circles, one superimposed on another one, and you can use the sticky note to sort of complete the Venn diagram. So as a mathematician, I can see huge promises. I can add a picture. This is something to do with the laser. Okay, probably see that? It's a little different. So I circle something, but it's not everlasting. I don't have to erase it. So this is pretty useful. It's a, once again, pretty neat sort of uh, application. I can clear the frame in a single go. I can change the background. I can, right, that's as a mathematician will be pretty useful. I can see, I can create a point. I should be able to create a point. Yep, I can create a point. I need a pen, which I have, and I'm writing on, but I'm using the mouse right now, but you should be able to use your pen. So if I use my pen, it's going to be more sort of powerful. I think so. See that? This is my pen. So it offers great opportunities to extend it. One of the reasons, actually, if I compare it with OneNote and Microsoft Whiteboard, this is not, I don't think it's equally powerful, but the thing is that one of the advantages is that it is going to directly uh, save it to your Google Drive. And yeah, you can have different kind of backgrounds. Right. Okay. So I will stop there. It's one of the choices you have. So if you feel like using it, go for it. Thank you.